Welcome to this tutorial on how to fill timesheets by company. Timesheets, it is to be noted, can be filled in by jobs or by company. Today, we'll show you how to fill in timesheets by company. In the Eazzy Corporate Secretarial software homepage, click on this icon to open the Eazzy Planning, which is the timesheet. It is opening my timesheet, and here are my entries for today's timesheet work performed as I go about to fill it in. As I proceed and I want to enter new time spent on tasks I've done, I'll place myself here, do a right click, click on new appointment. In the Company Trust Foundation field, here, I will type in the first three letters of my company, which Eazzy will find for you. I select it. Then, just below it, I type in star to find my list of services I want to associate my work with. I will ignore this part because I'm only filling my timesheet by company. I'll proceed to the task detail, type star, and select the appropriate task, and I will enter more details here. I will update. Click on update. This is a chargeable timesheet. It's 30 minutes, but I worked actually 1 hour. I can drag and drop to increase the time spent on a job like I just proceeded. To copy the job, if I need to spend more time tomorrow, I will copy the appointment, come here, right click, paste the appointment. I can move like this or move like this my timesheets. Depending on your settings, the time entered in timesheets per day has to be filled in for a minimum of 7 hours. Once done, you can then submit and validate your timesheets. The color of the timesheets will be different depending on whether they've been just entered in orange, submitted or validated blue, cleared and billed green and gray. So that's it for today's tutorial on how to fill timesheets by company.